How to keep your house clean. In this video, we'll explore essential tips for keeping your house clean and tidy. Set aside specific times each day or week for cleaning tasks to ensure that nothing gets overlooked. Create a schedule that works for your lifestyle and includes daily chores like washing dishes and wiping down countertops, as well as weekly tasks such as vacuuming, dusting, and cleaning bathrooms. Consistency is key to maintaining a clean home. Clutter can quickly accumulate and make your home feel disorganized and chaotic. Take time regularly to declutter your living spaces by sorting through items and donating, recycling, or discarding things you no longer need or use. Keep surfaces clear of unnecessary items to create a sense of spaciousness and order. Divide your home into manageable cleaning zones and focus on one area at a time to prevent feeling overwhelmed. For example, you might designate different zones for the kitchen, living room, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Tackle one zone each day or week, thoroughly cleaning and organizing as you go. Stock up on essential cleaning supplies and tools to make the cleaning process more efficient and effective. Keep supplies organized and easily accessible so you can quickly grab what you need when it's time to clean. Basic supplies may include all-purpose cleaner, disinfectant wipes, microfiber cloths, a vacuum cleaner, and a mop. Cultivate daily habits that contribute to a clean and tidy home. Encourage family members to pick up after themselves, put items back in their designated places, and take care of small messes as they occur. Simple actions like making the bed each morning and doing a quick tidy-up before bedtime can make a significant difference in the overall cleanliness of your home. Pay special attention to high-traffic areas of your home that tend to accumulate dirt and grime more quickly. These areas may include entryways, hallways, and frequently used rooms like the kitchen and bathroom. Clean and maintain these areas regularly to prevent the buildup of dirt and germs. Share the responsibility of cleaning and maintaining your home by delegating tasks among family members or roommates. Assign age-appropriate chores to children and establish clear expectations for everyone's participation in keeping the house clean. Working together as a team can make cleaning feel less burdensome and more manageable. Laundry can easily pile up and contribute to a cluttered and unkempt appearance in your home. Develop a routine for doing laundry regularly, including sorting, washing, folding, and putting away clothes. Consider investing in laundry baskets or hampers for each family member to help keep dirty clothes organized. Schedule time for deep cleaning tasks to tackle areas that may be overlooked in day-to-day cleaning. This may include washing windows, scrubbing baseboards, cleaning upholstery, and shampooing carpets. Deep cleaning can help maintain the overall cleanliness and freshness of your home. With a little dedication and organization, you can enjoy a comfortable living space that you'll love coming home to. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.